hours, China has reported 47 new infections, all of which are imported cases. Let's get more on this and bring in Stephanie Wong, who joins us from Hong Kong. Let's speak specifically about Hong Kong, because a week ago it was being held up as a model for how to combat the coronavirus. And now there are new reported cases. Has it let its guard down too soon?
Yes. So, well, in Hong Kong, we have seen over 380 cases to date. Now, in terms of the more recent cases, many of them have been imported from overseas. And so that's exactly what an expert said. We should not be letting our guard down, and that perhaps that we should also consider more law enforcement measures to make sure that people do stay apart. Now, the idea is to stop people from gathering, similar to what we've seen in other countries. Meanwhile, in Hong Kong, we have shops and bars and restaurants that are still open, and there are no restrictions on the number of people who can gather together. So there are really concerns that with the influx of people that the public health system could collapse. Now, meanwhile, Hong Kong has also closed its borders to non-residents starting from midnight earlier today. And at the same time, about 500 Hong Kongers who are stranded in the epicenter of Hubei province are going to return home today and tomorrow. There are 4 flights together. And Hubei province, as we know, the worst hit region at the start of the outbreak, is relaxing its travel restrictions.
Good. Good to hear. Stephanie, some American companies are going back to work, reportedly. Tell us about that.
Yes, so we are seeing that more than 1/5 of American companies in mainland China are back to normal operations. And this is coming from a survey by the American Chamber of Commerce there. And they say that almost a quarter of the companies are saying that they expect to return to normal by the end of April. But as you can imagine, the American companies that rely on China's small and medium-sized enterprises have been the slowest to get back to work. So we're seeing a really gradual return to normalcy there.
All right, Stephanie in Hong Kong, thank you very much indeed.